Hi, so this is Raksha Bharadia, the founder of Bonobology, a website on couple relationships. So I thought of this website when I was working on my book Chaos, which got published by Rupa, and I understood that how dissatisfied people are with their couple relationships. There are major issues like in mismatched sexual appetite, boredom in relationships, issues with in-laws, the spark going away from the relationship, uh, financial mismatch, and I understood that this is not being documented. We being a conservative society, people kind of just want to post happy stuff about their couple relationship, and bam, after like 10-15 years, we kind of see that, oh my god, they were never getting along. So I thought there should be a space in our country and in the world where we can be somewhat, speak honestly about what really happens in a couple relationship, a long-term one. So that's how this entire idea to start a website like Bonobology came up. And one thing that I was very sure of, that the content can't be one way. It has to be two-way. So I can't just write what I think is there. I need to get people to write in. So far on Bono, which is in its 5th year now, we have published about 7,000 pieces, and we have published about 1,000 very, very senior writers. A huge chunk of it is personal narratives, which actually talks about the bottlenecks in relationships and how they could resolve it, or at least get into a stage where they could think about resolving it. And I'm happy to tell you that we are now a team of 17. We are growing at the rate of 10% per month in terms of traffic. Our revenue is growing actually 30% per month since the last 6 months. And what I eventually want to do is I want us to be a space where people can come and, rant, understand their issues, feel not judged about how things are going. So we started this entire service, which is on counseling, where you can come and actually book counseling services, completely confidential, and delivered to you in very easy mediums through via Skype or even video conferencing calls. And we've got this horde of experts with us. So I just want to make couple relationships happy, because let's face it, as a society, if the couple unit is strong, the kids are going to be stronger. When marriages are stronger, the aging parents kind of live out their old age well. And of course, as in terms of economy, I think a very strong family unit eventually contributes to nationalistic feeling and how we can grow as a country. So that's what it is about Bonobology, and that's it. Thank you.